All right, vertical and horizontal asymptotes. Vertical is where denominator is 0 after there's canceling. No canceling to take place here. So the vertical asymptote will be x equal negative 5 over 6. Done. All right, so to find the horizontal asymptotes, I'm going to take the limit as x goes to infinity, and then I'll do negative infinity as well. But let me just start off with infinity. So I can see I'm going to do highest powers. And as x goes to infinity, so I'll have root 2 absolute value of x over 6x, right? Because I'll have the square root of x squared. Since I'm going to positive infinity, this absolute value of x gets replaced with x. Then I cancel the x's, so I'm left with root 2 over 6. I take the limit as x goes to negative infinity of the same thing. So I need you to write down like what you're doing, the original problem. And then you can skip to this next step here. So root 2 absolute value of x over 6x. So, oops, I wrote down the wrong limit. So it should be x is going towards negative infinity, correct? Okay, so now here I'm plugging negative infinity into this x that's inside the absolute value. So the way the absolute value works is it takes the opposite of a negative number to make it positive. So now when I cancel the x's, I get root 2 over 6. So to summarize, my horizontal asymptotes would be plus or minus y equal root 2 over 6. Finish it off what the equations are of the horizontal and the vertical asymptotes. So let's just finish this page off here. So let's do the same thing with this one. Again, always cancel if you can, or factor to see if you can cancel. X plus 1, x plus 2. Cancel the x plus 1, so I get x minus 1 over x plus 2. So the vertical asymptotes will be the denominator is 0. So that's negative 2. Horizontal asymptotes would be the limit as x goes to infinity or negative infinity. So taking highest powers, I get 1. And if I take the limit as x goes towards negative infinity of the same thing, highest powers, I get 1. So the horizontal asymptote will be y equal 1. All right, so last thing on this page here, this graph of arctangent is necessary for you to know. You're going to need to know it all year long. So this is the horizontal asymptote of pi over 2. This is the horizontal asymptote of negative pi over 2. So you can see as you go to infinity, you go to the positive pi over 2. And as you go to the negative infinity, you go to the negative pi over 2. So make sure you've got this one memorized.